So as you can see, this is the Alfa Romeo 4C Spider. Very cool looking little sports car because it's quite small compared with other sports cars from this period of time. So as I said earlier, the first one is a true scale model. So from the Minimax series, let's open it to see what's inside. You can see through the bubbles that it is an Alfa Romeo 4C, but we should see it in more details in a moment. So nice packaging, the typical true scale packaging with a second layer of protection, something that I really like. Perfect, and now let's get it out. So as you can see, this is the Alfa Romeo 4C Spider. Very cool looking little sports car because it's quite small compared with other sports cars from this period of time. Awesome design. I'm a big fan of Alfa Romeo, and this is a great model from their side. The stand is typical true scale, so you'll have a very glossy looking white stand with the Alfa Romeo 4C Spider and the Alfa Romeo logo right here. Underneath you can see this like a, not a rubber, but like a sponge type of protection, and if you are going to remove it, you can see the screwdrivers that you can use to remove the model car from the stand. That being said, the interior is very detailed, well, something specific to true scale. As you can see, it has very nice looking seats, a combination between brown leather and black leather, very nice. Awesome details on the dashboard as well. The steering wheel has two-tone combination, black and brown. You can see the Alfa Romeo logo on the steering wheel and lots of details. You'll have white brake calipers, something that needs to fit the color of the car, of the body. Very detailed rims and very cool looking ones. You'll have some writing on the tires, but I cannot see properly. It's 4C Spider most probably. Yes, 4C Spider is mentioned on the tires. So very nice looking model car with very cool looking exhaust pipes and nice looking headlights. I really like this one. Now I need to search for the coupe version, and I need to make sure that the coupe version will be in red because this Alfa Romeo looks absolutely perfect in red.